Be honest, right? How would you feel about replacing your president or prime minister with AI? Albania has already done it, the world's first AI minister to oversee public contracts. The prime minister says that this is a way to a corruption-free government. And if you think about it, no ego, no greed, no late night lobbyist dinners, just code making the calls. This sounds fantastic on paper. But what does this look like in reality? Because when the AI minister makes a decision, who's going to be held accountable? The code, the cabinet, or no one? Albania isn't alone. The UAE has a minister of AI. Estonia is running almost all services digitally. The US, China, and Europe, they're racing too. But is this a race for efficiency or a race for control? If AI takes our brain work and robots handle our muscle, then what's going to be left for us humans? Some are saying universal basic income, tax the machines and pay the people. But history shows something else. Every revolution from factories to code creates what I call the messy middle. Displaced workers, wealth rising upwards. And McKinsey is already saying that over 800 million jobs could vanish by as soon as 2030. Don't sound like utopia to me. I'm thinking about chaos, strikes, and a fight over profits. ChatGPT runs on OpenAI, right? Gemini on DeepMind. Compute still sits with Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Whoever owns the pipes owns the future. These firms buy into each other. Share parts consolidate power. So it's bigger than the apps. Google is testing self-evolving AI. One agent spots a bug, another writes the fix, another tests it, and then another approves it. That is literally intelligence making itself stronger without us. Police in the US are already using AI to draft reports, but Tech with X, an AI specialist, says that it hallucinates. Now imagine that same AI writing laws or judging cases. So here's the bigger question, right? If nations have ministries to machines, who's teaching it compassion, empathy, and ethics? Or will human leaders just be the face while real power sits in the code? For the record, I don't want to scare you all, right? I do not believe that this is Luddite fear. History proves that we adapt. We always do. But adaptation comes with a cost. And it is in the messy middle where nations rise or fall. Like railroads or oil. Power sat with whoever owned the track. AI is the same. What I would advise is simple. For the people, do not just use AI. Take the time to understand it. What can it do now and what it means for your future? The people who understand it will adapt, and the people who do not will literally be left behind. For governments, the fight is access to compute. Miss that and you do not lose growth. You lose sovereignty. Utopia is not guaranteed. If nations cannot design systems where machine wealth creates human values, then the middle, honestly, will not be a bridge. It will be a breakdown.